last point on there, that ionic compounds tend to be conductive. So in that ionic compound, you have got a bunch of charged particles. When you put them in water, what happens is that those charged particles actually separate. So the water gets in between all those things. It has to do with water's nature as a polar compound, and we'll talk a lot more about that when we talk about solutions in chapter 14, 15. Water can separate those things. So you can sit there with a Bunsen burner all day and try to melt salt. You won't be able to. Put it in water, and those ions separate easily. Now you've got charged particles floating in water. Those charged particles have electrons that can move. They can carry charge. So pure water is not conductive. How many of you have heard that you shouldn't be swimming in a lightning storm? Okay. Here's what I'm going to tell you. If you were swimming in a bathtub, you could be swimming in an Olympic-sized swimming pool full of perfectly pure distilled water. In the middle of a lightning storm, you'd be perfectly safe. No. It's the ions in general. So, water in a lake or a river, is it pure water? Oh, heavens no. It's all kinds of stuff. It's fish poop and goose poop and salts and road salts and magnesium and chlorine ions. It's the ions in the water that conduct electricity. A solution of ionic compounds is conductive. So that's why lakes and rivers conduct electric, and in a pool you've got all kinds of ions. Yes, you have a lot of chlorine ions, but it's just the ions in any body of water that are what conduct. Okay. Now, we can have, and you have drawn some of these, we can have something called a polyatomic ion. What does the prefix poly refer to? Many, more than one, multiple, just more than one. A polyatomic ion is a group of atoms that are bound together covalently, and then that as a group have either taken on electrons or given them up. You drew the nitrate ion. You'll get much more familiar with these as we go. And we can draw all of these with Lewis dot diagrams. Okay? We're going to stop right there.